What's up, family? Now we done came down today. We down $78 today from where we originally started at. And it's just growing. It's alright though. Cause we finna get in here and buy. XRP was at like 335, 36. Yeah, let me see. Where'd it go? 340. I'm sorry. 340. 339, 340. Then it started to come down. 340. See, I hit that 340 right there. Boom, once. Then it went and tested it again. 330, 39 on the high. I'm looking at the high, y'all. This is how you read the chart. Like, when the open on this candle is at the bottom of this green candle. The open is at the bottom of the green candle. So it started at 334. And then the close is at the top of the green candle, family. Like where it says 338. So you understand it moved up 4 cents off in the body. And then it went as high as 340. Y'all see that? As high as 340, where that wick comes out of the top. It's called a wick. That line that comes out of the top of the candle is called a wick. Right? So it went high as 340 and then as low as 333. Right? So 333 was a level of support. Support is to the downside, the lowest points it wants to go in and it wants to bounce back up. That's support. We call that support. So them wicks coming out at the bottom of the candle is where it's tapping on, showing you support. Now, if we break down, then we're going to find support somewhere else like it's doing now. But at the top of that candle, you got 340. Where the wicks come out at the top, that's 340. This is how you read the chart, right? And then you come down, 338, it hit, okay? Then you come over here where the wick hit, 339, right there. And then boom, that was resistance. It established resistance up there because it came right here, it hit 339. Look at that. It hit 1. Then it started to come down a little bit. Then it hit 2, 340. Then it hit 338. Then it hit 339 again. Then it broke down. See that? Back down here to this candle. See this long red candle right here with the wick 318? At the bottom of the wick, it's 318 at the bottom. That's how you tell. And the wick closed at the bottom. This wick closes at the bottom, right? It started at the top. It opens at the top. The red candle, it opens at the top. So it opened at 334 and it closed at 322. It closed lower than it opened. That's why it's a red candle, family. All right? Now, y'all got to pick up these gems while I'm dropping them, okay? So y'all can understand what I be talking about when I be talking about these price points, all right? All right, so it's low, so that closed at 318, right? Now it's showing support again at 319, right? Or 320. It's closing right there too. So we right at support, family. That's how we can tell. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quit talking y'all head off. But I'm going to get in here and buy. This is day, what is this, 11? We're going to get in here and buy. Gonna get in here and buy $5. Let me have my $5 worth today, please. Yes, sir. We got that. Now, let me get in here and Bitcoin. Let me go buy my $5 worth, please. Okay. We got 49AABCC. Y'all see that up top? They gave it to me at 100,000. That's the spread, and it costs $5. That's how Robinhood makes money, cause I'm just buying and I ain't even tripping. You know what I'm saying? But they gave it to me at a higher price now. It's actually at, see, it's at 99.6, but they gave it to me at 100 something. So they made money off of that. You feel me? That's how brokerages make money off the spreads. But that's just to give you some other game on why I tell y'all to set limit orders, so you can tell the market what you want to pay and not pay what the market gonna give you, because sometimes the price will be higher, even though the price is actually lower than where it's at, because they got orders to fill, so they'll fill that order higher